Yes, so what happened was, nag-indefinite leave siya, and then, she was admitted to the hospital doon sa Davao City na hospital siya, and then, dinischarge siya ng mga doctors with, ulitin ko. Si Yusek Zulaika Lopez, nag-indefinite leave siya after nung sa veterans hospital admission niya, umuwi siyang Davao, and then na-hospitalize siya doon. And then sabi ng doctors niya, we will discharge you but you have to come back ngayon ata, February, for further tests. And then bumalik siya for 1 day dito nung January. Bumalik siya for 1 day dito sa Office of the Vice President, and she said na mag-leave siya for 2 months. And then I said yes, take the time that you need for your health. And then after a week, bumalik siya. Nung January, after a week, bumalik siya dito, and then she said, hindi ako mag-leave. So sabi ko, okay, welcome back.